So this is the first stage of obstacle avoiding robot project. For the first stage, I need ultrasonic sensor, breadboard, Arduino microcontroller. I'm going to use Arduino Uno and 16 by 2 LCD panel with I2C controller. So these four components are required for my first stage. In this project, we will see how an ultrasonic sensor and an LCD panel are interfaced with an Arduino microcontroller. There are four components which I showed you earlier: ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. So I'm going to use the same ultrasonic sensor for my physical connection. So then I have a breadboard, Arduino Uno microcontroller, and 16 by 2 LCD panel with I2C controller, which has 4 pins. The working of ultrasonic sensor as well as LCD panel I have explained in my previous video on microbit. So you can watch that video. So let us look at the connections. Ultrasonic sensor as well as LCD panel, they require 5 volt which can be given from Arduino. So let us look at the wiring connections now. Ultrasonic sensor has 4 pins, VCC and ground for the supply. It requires 5 volt. So VCC is connected to 5 volt of Arduino microcontroller through this breadboard. So this is the common point. And similarly, ground is connected to ground pin of Arduino microcontroller. For trigger and echo, pin number 2 and 3 of Arduino are used respectively. Now when it comes to LCD panel, so there are again 4 pins because we are going to use I2C controller. VCC and ground. VCC is connected to 5 volt of Arduino through this breadboard, and ground is connected to ground pin of Arduino microcontroller. Arduino Uno has additional 2 pins for I2C communication. So this pin is nothing but SCL pin, serial clock pin, and serial data pin. So these two are connected to SCL and STA of LCD panel. So this is how the connection is made. So let us look at the Arduino Sketch. The first we need to select the board, and Arduino Uno microcontroller I am using. I have selected that board. And similarly, we need to select the communication port. So this is the communication port which I use for communication with Arduino microcontroller. So once you select that, so then this is our Arduino sketch. Let's go through the sketch now. We have two components. One is ultrasonic sensor, and the second one is a LCD panel. The LCD panel has I2C controller. So we can use a library called as liquid crystal underscore I2C. So you can search for that library under include library. If it is not available, then you can click manage library and search for that library here. Then you can install. And after installation, you can go to sketch, include library, and then you can add this library. So this is the library which we need for displaying the characters on LCD panel. So once you include this library, so you can initialize the object called as liquid crystal underscore I2C, and you can assign it to a variable called LCD. LCD is the variable name that we have given. And these are some of the parameters of LCD panel. 27H, that is the address, and this LCD panel is 16 by 2 LCD panel. That means 16 characters we can display, and there are two lines. In each line, 16 characters can be displayed. It's called a 16 by 2 display. So it has got 16 columns and 2 rows. Now for the ultrasonic sensor, which has 4 pins and 2 for the supply, VCC and ground, and remaining 2 for the trigger and echo pin. The trigger pin and echo pin, you can use any digital pins of Arduino microcontroller. I have used 2 and 3 in this case. So we have to initialize the trigger and the echo pin. So pin number 2 and 3 I'm going to use, but we can use any other digital pin. So trigger pin, where we give the digital signal, we can use the digital write function, and echo pin for receiving the pulse. Now under setup function, we need to assign the mode for these two pins. The trigger pin will be used in the output mode, and echo pin will be used in the input mode because it has to receive the echo signal from the object or obstacle. Now, once you set up the ultrasonic sensor pins, now we have to set up the LCD panel. So first we initialize the LCD panel, and after that we have to turn on the backlight because LCD panel requires a backlight, and we can adjust the brightness of the backlight by using an external potentiometer. There are two lines or two rows, and we can set the cursor for each row. For example, in this case, we can set the cursor for the first row, x and y. X refers to columns, y refers to rows. So 0, comma 0 means the first column and the first row. In the beginning, we are going to display a message called welcome in the first line and Arduino and sonar in the second line for 1 second. Trigger signal is given to the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor, and we set the trigger pin at high for 10 microseconds. So this trigger signal internally triggers the module to generate these 8 pulses at 40 kilohertz, which are transmitted as sound waves. In this case, the distance depends on the duration of this pulse. The duration will be in microseconds, and from that duration, we can calculate the distance. So we know that the sound waves travel at 343 meter per second in air. In other medium, it will be different, but in air, it's going to be 343 meter per second. When you convert that into centimeter per microsecond, because here the duration will be measured in microseconds and we want the distance in centimeters. So we need to convert this into centimeter per microsecond. That's going to be 0.0343 centimeter per microsecond. So that's how you get the distance. So this is the formula. And since this duration is for the round trip, you need to divide it by 2 to get the actual distance. And now it is the time to display the duration and distance on the LCD panel. We display the duration in microseconds and distance in centimeters. So in the first line, we display duration, and the second line we display distance. We need to initialize the LCD panel, and also we have to set the cursor for each line. Now this is for the first line, x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and then we print the duration in microseconds. And similarly for the second line, we set the cursor x equal to 0, y equal to 1, and then we display the distance in centimeters. LCD panel displays a message welcome in the first line, Arduino and sonar in the second line as we discussed earlier. And this is for the first 1 second. And after that, it shows the duration and the distance. Duration in microsecond as you can see here, and the distance in centimeters. And this is the distance between the object and the sensor.